Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the same Google account is active in Gmail and Google Photos. This is essential so photos become available when composing messages. On your phone, open Google Photos and turn on backup and sync so new shots upload automatically. Make sure you pick an upload quality and set Wi-Fi only if you want to control data. Once done, your images will live in the cloud, which lets Gmail access them as attachments or links without moving files manually. Next, verify the connection by composing an email in Gmail and choosing to insert a photo. You may need to grant Gmail permission to access your device's photos or media so it can show synced cloud images. Once permitted, pick Insert from Photos or the Google Photos icon. This shows backed up items rather than local-only snaps. Choosing images from Photos inserts either an attachment or a cloud link, which preserves quality and avoids root-loading, so your recipient gets a reliable view. Finish by reviewing the inserted previews or links and then send the email. If a photo shows as pending or missing, stop and open Google Photos to confirm backup and sync completed. Sometimes uploads lag on cellular or large files. Make sure Gmail and Photos are using the exact same Google account. If problems persist, clear app cache, sign out and back into your account, or reinstall the app. These steps refresh permissions and force a fresh sync so your photos appear reliably in Gmail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.